In this video, we are going to learn about matrix. Now, matrix is one of the topics that do not miss, and this is what we are actually going to learn about, the whole matrix topic. So we are going to make sure that we make it as simple as possible and we make it summarized so that you don't waste your time again or you don't fail matrix again. So for us to understand the whole of matrix in details, to be able to answer all the questions of matrix, what you all need is to learn about matrix is actually few things. One thing is we need to learn about addition of matrix. After learning about addition of matrix, we need to learn about, of course, addition and subtraction. After learning about addition of subtraction, we need to learn about division of matrix. After learning about division of matrix, we'll learn about multiplication of matrix. Multiplication of matrix. When we learn about multiplication of matrix, what do we need again? We need to learn about how to solve simultaneous equations using matrix method. We need to learn about how to actually solve simultaneous equation using matrix method. When you learn about how to solve simultaneous equations using matrix method, then we will go learn about how to actually do word problems with math. Word problems with matrix, word problems. If they bring a question in form of word problems, how can you actually solve those problems? There are so many things under matrix, but actually these are the few things that we can consider on, and we try to give you the basics of matrix. So the first thing is to understand what is matrix itself. If we want to talk about matrix itself, if you are asked what is matrix, the question you should answer is that matrix is a form of collection of data. Matrix is a collection of data that is represented in the form of row by column. Row by column. So the definition of matrix, you can write it in your book that matrix is the collection of data that is represented in the form of row by column. So it means the most important word that we have in the definition of matrix is what? Row by column. That is the most important thing that we have, row by column. So from today onwards, if any person mentions the word matrix, what should come in your mind is row by column. So before we even go into details of actually giving you what matrix is and going into details of matrix, you need to always understand that what is a row, what is a column, because these are the two things that you should never mistake: a row for a column for a row, because if you do that, you will always fail matrix and you will not understand anything in matrix. So let us go and understand what is a row and what is a column. So this is what we always do in this case. Now, we have what you call orders in matrix. This is how we represent matrix. We have A, B, C, D. This is how we always represent matrix. So these are called orders, but we are coming to that later on. But afterwards, what is a row and what is a column? So this, what you are seeing here, these are called rows. These are what? These are rows. And these that you are seeing upwards here, these are called columns. But now you might not remember as a student that which one is the row or which one is the column. Every time you are mistaken that which one is the row, which one is the column, always remember CV. You know, in English, where they say if you want to apply for a job, you write a curriculum vitae or CV. So that's what you should always remember in this case. What is a CV? A CV is a curriculum vitae in English. So always remember, when you are mistaken which one is vertical, which one is horizontal, remember CV. So you come here and we add CV. So when you add CV, we say CV, it means that columns are vertical. Columns are what? Are vertical. So you should write in your book when you are introducing matrix that columns are vertical. That is CV. So you'll always remember that everything that is vertical is column. Then rows are horizontal. So RH means rows are horizontal. Always remember that columns are vertical, then rows are horizontal. That's how you will never forget what a column is and what a row is. So after learning about row by column, so it means we start with a row, then we come by column. And now this brings us to what we call order of matrix. We are just in the introduction of matrix. You need to understand all this before you even jump into any calculation of matrix. So orders of matrix are also written in the form of row by column. So for example, if we have a matrix A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is a matrix. So we say that orders of matrix are written in the form of row by column, row by column. So it means you need to identify how many rows do we have and how many columns do we have. So we said CV. C is for vertical. It means these vertical ones are what? Are columns. Then R is for horizontal. So the horizontal ones are rows. So remember, we are writing order is in form of row by column. So how many horizontals do we have? We have 1, 2. So you write here 2. Then how many verticals do we have that are columns? We have 1, 2, 3. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. This is the order of this matrix. So I want to give you the last, because we are summarizing very fast, so you can see 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, let's try to get what is the order of this very matrix. What is the order of this matrix? Now, the order of this matrix is, we said order of a matrix is given by row by column. So if the order of matrix is given by row by column, how many rows do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows by how many columns? 1, 2, 3 by 3. So we have actually introduced matrix for you. You now know the definition of matrix, and I want to summarize this. You now know the definition of matrix, that matrix is the form of data collected and represented in the form of row by column. You know exactly what a row is, and you know what a column is. You will never forget what a row is, what a column is. So you already know how orders of matrix are, how you can actually write orders of matrix. This is just the introduction to matrix. Therefore, in the next class, in the next part, we need to learn about addition of matrix. We need to learn about addition and subtraction of matrix, division of matrix, multiplication of matrix, how to solve matrix using simultaneous equations, and what problems of matrix. Then we would be able to answer each and every question that matrix represents. Make sure you comment in the comment section which other part you want us to include, and also you comment in the comment section which class you are in, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn your notification button, because this is Givian Academy giving you all these classes free of charge. Thank you.